DampRid Drop-in Tab Refill Pack contains two 15.8 ounces moisture absorber tabs. When paired with the drop-in starter kit, they attract and trap excess moisture and eliminate musty odors. Two 15.8 ounces single-use refill tabs provide optimal convenience with no mess. To use, simply insert an unwrapped tab into the top of the moisture-absorbing container. Each tab lasts up to 60 days depending on temperature and humidity. DampRid absorbs moisture without the use of electricity or batteries. Blends in with any home decor and can be used discreetly in various locations. Place in bathrooms, basements, utility rooms, garages, laundry rooms, or storage lockers. Ideal for use as a closet freshener for clothes. This simple home improvement project creates a cleaner, fresher air. Keep out of reach of children. Read and follow all label directions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DampRid Drop-in Tab Refill Pack works to attract and trap excess moisture, eliminating odors and creating fresher, cleaner air. Number 2. Designed with spill-resistant technology and an easy, mess-free refill system. Number 3. Great for use in closets, bathrooms, laundry rooms, pantries, storage areas, small basements, garages, or stored boats and RVs. Number 4. Two 15.8 ounce tabs come individually wrapped in this pack. Each tab lasts up to 60 days, depending on temperature and humidity. Tabs begin to work as soon as they are unwrapped. Number 5. To use, drop an unwrapped tab into the top portion of the drop-in container. When the tab is fully dissolved and the bottom container is full of water, simply pour the water into the toilet. Septic safe, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.